Many website owners assume that adding images to a web page automatically improves search engine optimization. While images can enhance user experience and engagement, search engines don't view images the same way humans do. Google relies on descriptive signals such as alt text, image file names, surrounding content, and structured data to understand what an image represents. If your most important images have no descriptive text, you're making it much harder for search engines to understand the purpose and relevance of those images. Think about it this way. If you upload a screenshot of an search engine optimization audit report, a performance chart, a product image, or a step-by-step tutorial graphic without descriptive alt text, Google may have little idea what the image contains. To a search engine, it's simply a file. That means you're missing valuable opportunities to strengthen page relevance, rank in Google Images, and provide additional context for your content. This issue becomes even more serious when important images support your primary topic. For example, if you're writing about website search engine optimization audits and your images show technical search engine optimization reports, performance scores, keyword rankings, or optimization recommendations, those visuals should reinforce the page topic. Without descriptive text, search engines lose valuable context that could help improve rankings for related keywords. During a recent search engine optimization audit, I found that the website contained 12 images missing alt attributes. This means several images lack descriptive text that could help search engines understand their content and improve image search engine optimization performance. While a few missing alt tags may seem insignificant, these small technical search engine optimization issues often add up and collectively limit a website's ability to rank competitively in Google search. The solution is straightforward. Every important image should include descriptive alt text that accurately explains what the image shows. The goal is not to stuff keywords into alt attributes but to provide meaningful descriptions that help both search engines and users understand the content. This simple optimization improves accessibility, strengthens image search engine optimization, and helps search engines better understand the overall relevance of your page. If you want to uncover hidden search engine optimization problems that may be affecting your rankings, my Search Engine Optimization Audit Report service can help. I provide detailed website audits that identify technical search engine optimization issues, image optimization problems, indexing errors, page speed bottlenecks, content gaps, core web vitals issues, and ranking opportunities. Instead of guessing why your website isn't ranking, you'll receive a clear roadmap showing exactly what needs to be fixed to improve your Google visibility.